I think that a typical day for a Shine developer in general usually starts with a stand-up to sort of go around the grounds and see where everybody's at on what they're working at the moment.
Of course, every day there's a stand-ups to give an update on what you've done.
I'm fortunate that I have a client who lets me come in a little bit late, so I'll start maybe 9:30 because software developers are often like that. And then usually developers have a feature assigned to them that they'll be working on, or at least a problem, that they've been assigned to that they own and have got to see through.
As a software engineer, I would spend most of my day doing some code and working with clients to understand their problems. So my typical day would consist of working with people like project managers, more business-like people which have business-related questions on how they use the software that we develop.
They may then interact with the client to get more information about what the requirements are, to get more information from technical people at the client about sort of what systems they're going to be integrating with, because that's almost always the case, you're integrating with something. And then getting down and doing it.
Usually it's coding, and also if there's a new member, mentoring them, having catch-ups with them, make sure they're on the right path.
Not only do we do coding, we do things like monitoring, we do support, and then sometimes we have special time where we would do things like handovers. So at the end of the project, we would do handovers, give our knowledge to the people that we work with at client side, or even our special support team.
Usually throughout the day, you have catch-ups with your leaders in terms of if you have any problems or challenges.
They might be running a few code reviews themselves, or at the very least having their code subject to review.
And also working with very good testers also teaches you how to test your own application, your own code.
Shine kind of tends to work at clients in different ways, really depending upon the nature of our clients' work and how they want to do it. Sometimes our customers want to have us doing dedicated chunks of work, so we'll have a dedicated Shine team, and so we'll provide all of the developers, often a BA or a project manager, a delivery lead or something like that. So we have different modes of operation.
In my team there are people from Shine, most of them are Shiners, devs and testers, and also business analysis and Scrum Master, product owner.
We can often be dispersed amongst their teams or interleaved amongst the teams. So they might have feature teams of, say, 5 developers and a BA and a tester, and Shine might have a couple of developers on that team, for example. And the kind of idea is in that situation that we're bringing in our skills to help uplift the team.
So when we work at client side, we aim to integrate to work together rather than being separate as client and consultant. We aim to be one team. We work quite fluently together.
I think that's kind of the typical day for a Shine developer, really.